Can you quit your job tomorrow and bet absolutely everything on yourself? No? Then this channel is for you. My husband and I are raising a child with autism and another child with neurodivergence while I manage my own chronic illness. For years, I tried to follow advice from what I assumed to be the right advice from people with unlimited time and zero responsibilities. Just hustle 80 hours per week is what they always used to say. Sleep and grind, don't sleep at all. Just quit and figure it out, right? Bet everything on yourself. Take that risk. It's worth it, they said. But none of that was possible for me, and I'm sure as a care provider, none of that is possible for you too. So I figured out a different way. Not despite my circumstances, but completely around them. So that's what this channel is all about. How to build a business while raising a family, caring for a parent, or raising a neurodivergent child. You are going to see content here about building ownership when you only have about 5 to 10 hours per week on your own, about creating work that you love that also compounds instead of depletes over time, and about thinking in decades when everyone else is thinking in days or, bursted campaigns. If you're raising kids, caring for parents, or dealing with any reality that makes you not the candidate for quit your job and just hustle, you belong here. And I'm so grateful that you're taking the time out of your day to spend a little bit of it with me. I hope you find it helpful. In fact, I think you will. I know that I also created this channel because nothing like it really existed for me as a 40-year-old mother who is now exploring entrepreneurship really seriously for the first time, and also raising a family. So this is the place, the safe space to create, to think outside the box without any sort of influence from a younger generation of entrepreneurs who really don't have the same level of responsibilities or understanding of what we've been through. It's not to say that they're on a different journey and their journey is incorrect. It's just to say that we're different, and that's okay. But it's important that you find your tribe and you find the people that are actually speaking the language that aligns to your life so that you can become the author of your life again, as opposed to let so much of the external forces extract from your life. So I hope you stick around, enjoy the videos, like, comment, share, whatever you love to do with the videos, go ahead and do that. And I'll see you around.